Namaskar and hello. Filing of MEF is important specifically for getting bank branch audit. Keep watching this video to understand some important things before you file MEF. So let us understand some important tips before you start filing your MEF. Let's understand who is eligible for filing MEF. Now let's see who are eligible to file MEF. Partnership, LLP firms, proprietary firms, or members practicing in individual name which are in existence as on 1st January are eligible to file MEF. In case of a partnership firm, the partners must be exclusively associated with the firm. A partner is not treated as exclusively associated if he is also partner or proprietor in any other firm, if he is employed full-time or part-time elsewhere, or he is a full-time, part-time paid employee or paid assistant elsewhere, or he is practicing in his or her individual name, that is sole practice in the institute record. If this is the case, then that particular partner will not be termed as exclusive partner and his standing will not be counted in your MEF. In addition to above, whether a partner is exclusively associated or not is also determined on the basis of some threshold limits prescribed by CAG. Now let us see what are these threshold limits. The income and percentage share in profit or loss by the partner in the firm or LLP should not be below the threshold limits prescribed by the Office of CAG for CAG empanelment. So, the income of the partner from the firm or LLP must be adequate for considering them as a full-time, exclusively associated partners. As per CAG guidelines, full-time CA partner does not include a person who is, number one, a partner or proprietor in any other firm. Number two, a partner whose compensation from the firm or LLP during the previous financial year is below a specific limit, and or whose percentage share in the total compensation during the previous financial year is less than a prescribed limit. Number three, a partner whose professional income from sources other than the firm except as permitted by ICAI is more than the compensation from the firm or LLP. If in these three cases a partner will not be considered as a full-time partner, please note compensation is a sum total of share of profit, remuneration and interest on capital received by a partner from the firm or LLP. Now let us see what is the limit prescribed for remuneration and what are the minimum percentage that are prescribed for share into profit and losses of the firm. If the head office of the firm or LLP is located in Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore or Hyderabad, then ACA partners remuneration must be more than 2,70,000. For a FCA partner, it must be more than 4,50,000. If head office of the firm or LLP is located at other places other than above, then ACA partners remuneration must be minimum 1,80,000, and for FCA partner it must be minimum 2,70,000. Please note, in addition to this, a partner's percentage share in total compensation is also important. And please note the following minimum limit. For a firm having more than 14 partners, any person whose percentage share in total compensation, if it is less than 1%, he will not be considered as a full-time partner. For firms having 10 to 14 partners, the total share in the total compensation should be at least 3%. For partnership having 5 to 9 partners, at least 5%, and partnership firms having less than 5 partners, the percentage share in total compensation should be at least 8%. Now let's see some other important things. Please note, it's very important, the applicant will get the credit of the partner or proprietor, as the case may be, only if she or he is exclusively associated with the applicant firm as on 1st January. Up till the date of second verification. It is very important. The date of second verification is the date of verification of MEF data with SSP portal of ICA, which is normally in the month of November. So from January to November, entire period will be considered, and any change after you file MEF up till November, that is the second date of verification, any change will be considered while making category of your firm. Now this is very important in case of common partners or proprietors with the multiple firms. Please note, only one firm can apply for bank branch auditors panel, that is MEF. In case both or all the firms apply, the MEF of all these firms will be rejected for bank branch auditors panel. Please note, the details that are appearing in SSP portal should tally with the details that are appearing in your MEF. Anything which is not consistent with the SSP will not be taken into consideration. So before filing MEF, please ensure the data as per MEF and the data as per SSP as on 1st January is tallying, and any other changes happening after 1st of January need to be specifically quoted. Friends, it is being noticed that the task of applying for MEF is generally given to your assistants, articles or employee. Please note, do it yourself. This application is very important, and it has been seen because the filing is being delegated to someone else, wrong data is given, and because of that the firm may land into trouble. So it is a humble suggestion, do it yourself. And the most important part, don't miss to file MEF. See, Generally, it is considered that MEF is only for getting bank branch audit, but it is not the fact. MEF, which is also known as multi-purpose empanelment form, can also be used for giving other audits for other empanelments and so on and so forth. So please file MEF, number one. Number two, please note, if you are a continuing auditor, say for example you have already received the bank branch audit and you are aware once you get the bank branch audit you will get for 4 continuous years. But in between, for any specific year, if you miss to file the MEF, then your continuation will be discontinued and thereafter you may not get the audit. Third and most again another important part is this unique number which is being generated when you file the MEF is also asked by the other authorities for giving various audits. Say for example concurrent audit, stock audit, other assignment, they generally ask for your unique number, or they may ask for your MEF registration number. So filing MEF is very important and I believe that everyone must do it, those who are practicing and willing to get various audit through empanelment. So I hope you have noted all these important aspects and you will take them into consideration while filing your MEF. If you have any additional query, please write your query in the comments below. I will reply to them, or even you can mail me directly. My email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.